Okay.
Hi and welcome. We just landed from Stockholm, Sweden, now in London Gatwick. And we're on our way right now to the data center where we're going to upgrade some of our servers to 10G networks. So stay tuned. Hopefully everything's going to go smoothly. And everyone who is using the London servers will enjoy smooth and consistent, stable networking. Have a great experience.
London was our second location after Stockholm. We had service there since 2016. The service, all of the hardware were getting old. It was time to do a full hardware refresh. Now we got these new 10G servers with 72 threads each, and we have 4 of them. We have seen steady growth on the usage on our servers since 2016, and now we make sure we have enough capacity for coming years.
So here we are at the London data center, where we're gonna come in and switch out the hardware and servers we have. Unfortunately, we can't really show you any footage of the data center itself. We sort of tried, but security came and told us not to. So here we are instead, like trying to describe it, I guess. It's sort of like you're trying to go in and get access to the Coca-Cola's secret recipe, but you're not really allowed to. So this is, of course, pretty normal due to the value of data centers in general and the data and the hardware that's available there.
Data center is called Equinix LD8. It's one of the largest data centers here in London. We've been in the same building for the whole time. We are using Blix as our ISP here in London. While we were there, they also took the opportunity to upgrade their network with new 100 gig links and routers, so we make sure there's enough capacity for our growth.
Due to some weight limits on the airplanes and so on, we actually sent the hardware prior to our arrival to London at the data center. Alright everyone, so we're now done with upgrading the London servers. Downtime was only 5 minutes. So we managed to do it pretty quickly. While we installed the new ones, we still had the old ones up and running, and we did a quick switcheroo and configuration once it was done. So now, hopefully everyone that's using the London servers can enjoy high speed and great stable bandwidth as well. So the whole procedure went pretty simply. The whole building is secured, of course, so we had to show ID, we had to show invitation codes as well that we got from email. We had to do some fingerprinting and face photos and so on. But once that was done, we pretty much went into the data center and finished everything as fast as possible. And of course, also making sure that everything worked as intended. So once we went up to the location to our hardware, to the servers and everything, we met an employee over there who gave us the hardware we sent prior to our arrival. We have a photo here of everything set up as well, with the switches and the servers. Unfortunately, we can't really show you any video recordings, but yeah, that was pretty much it. We made sure everything worked, and at the time as well, we actually switched out some of the network stack we had there so that we can handle the throughput and bandwidth and everything. So yeah, went through the whole process again, but the other way around, and yeah. Prepping is good, making sure you have everything, all the equipment you're gonna need with you. Of course, in this case, it was a different country, so it wasn't really possible for us to just go out and grab a new cable or something else in case something broke. So we had to make sure everything was ready to be used immediately. Other than that, it helps if you have someone with you to do it, or at least 2. You gotta have to lift and stuff like that. Usually the whole process, once we want to do it, it's more prep time than anything. All we could do before we sent out and we moved out, we did. Only some smaller configuration. This time we actually had to change the network interfaces and so on, but otherwise it doesn't take that long, I would say. Like I said previously, 5-10 minutes tops. Thankfully we can do it while older stuff is still connected, so fortunately downtime is pretty minimal.
The new servers are all 10G and the old ones were 1G servers. The upgrade here is part of the mission we have to upgrade all our locations to 10G. Now we are over 90%. We only have a few locations left that needs to be upgraded.
The old servers, we had the ring recycled. There's a recycling station in the data center itself. We left everything there and they're gonna make sure everything is disposed of / recycled properly. They have a whole department just for that. We usually don't visit all the locations, but in this case we had an opportunity to meet our ISP provider as well as swap up the hardware ourselves. So we thought it would be a good opportunity to record the process, at least discuss it a little, and just to show how it usually goes. Usually we send it out to a data center and the data center itself installs the hardware.
We would love to be able to feel more inside during the visits we do. With our brand, our top priority is to be able to be transparent, show our customers everything we can show them about our environment, infrastructure, physical servers, our data centers. But in reality, it's not that easy. It's not very common to be allowed to film inside the data center because of security restrictions. What we can do is to take a photo of just our own servers, and we do that and we have published them on our website. So if you go to our server list, you will see a photo of inside each rack where we have our own servers.
So we actually have an upcoming video for our data center in Stockholm. Due to the upgrades our ISP has done and the good relationship we have with them, we'll actually show you the process and the setup of how to implement 100 gigabit servers. So it's going to be our first location to do that. Thankfully we have the bandwidth capacity to do it, and we hope it's interesting video just to show you some of the technicalities and the process in of itself. We also gotten permission to do some recording in there. The hardware and so on we have isn't really close to anything, any other customers and so on. So it's very likely that we will be able to do some recording, point out what is what and so on, just to be as transparent as possible. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be really interesting. We're really excited for that. Everything is ready now. So the London servers are already up and running. We have tried them out as well, so everything works as intended. And it's multiple servers as well, so it should be possible for a lot of users to come in. It's 200 plus threads on everything, so it's stable all the way through. So welcome back everyone. We're now in Hyde Park. So this is essentially the video. We have arrived in London, we swapped out some stuff, and a dog comes by, adorable. It's alright. So this is essentially the trip. Unfortunately, we didn't have a lot of footage, but came in, we swapped up some stuff, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We are soon heading to the airport. Our flight back to Stockholm, Sweden is in a few hours. Yes, and thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and for more content, follow us on every social media, everywhere. No, we can redo it.